Today I'll be shooting this high-tech custom shotgun round. Unlike my buddy Hank Hill, I don't fuck with propane. I got the good shit, MAP gas. For those of you that don't know, this stuff burns hotter than the Carolina Reaper pepper. Beforehand, I even tested it with my fancy 1000 degree infrared thermometer, and it reaches temperatures well above that. Now you'd think the knife would just pop out like a champagne cork, however. In a future video, I'll explain in depth all the physics that goes on and what causes exploding barrels.
Shotgun, you shot me right in the face with a shotgun. You shot me right in the face. You shot me right in the face. You shot me right in the face with a shotgun.